The civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for Cabarrus NC, Davidson NC, Mitchell NC, all of North Carolina, all of South Carolina, and all of the United States beginning at 1:43 a.m. and ending at 1:43 p.m. Constant screaming of counties or areas, non-stop talking about Dick Richard and company, and doing special things at 3 a.m. have been reported. The Federal Bureau of Investigation has confirmed that these events were caused by a drink from Dick Richard known as Alert Jizz. If you, or anyone you know shows signs of Alert Jizz, call 911. Do not drink Alert Jizz.